Alright guys, what's up? My name is a Halo player. We're going to be doing another hike today. If you guys remember one of the last hiking videos that we did, we actually went on this section 1 monadnock trail here. It's about 2.3 miles. We see a little white marker on that telephone pole there, but what we did is we really couldn't find the trail last time, so we went across the street and we started the trail over there. And there was this rock quarry and everything, if you guys remember that. But actually, we found where this side of the trail goes. It actually goes into this person's driveway and goes along. It does say private property, but if you notice what this says, it says if we stay on the trail, we're fine. We just have to stay on the trail. So we're going to make our way on this trail, and I'll start filming once we actually get into the woods, so these people don't get weirded out.
Mushroom. Get this weird looking
Nuh-uh.
That is a mushroom. I just touched it. It's soft. It's messed up.
That's a mushroom?
Yeah, look at it.
What the heck?
See how soft it is? That's huge. That's you gotta show them the biggest hands in front of it to show them it's the size of a basketball.
What's your hand?
Hey guys, you see my basketball?
That's a
giant mushroom. That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Yeah, don't put you put your hands on it or no? I touched it. Yeah, wipe it off. You don't know.
This is my foot next to it. Like,
it's enormous. I've never.
And I'm a size 12. Oh my gosh.
That's ridiculous. Messed up. Should I break it open or just leave it? I just leave it alone. It's so cool. I wouldn't break it.
Yeah. That's weird.
Alright. Isn't that weird? The first thing you think of when you see something like that is, hey, should I break it?
Yeah.
It's too cool.
Is that a school bus?
Yeah.
Oh. Are they turning?
They're just stopping.
I don't know.
Coming this way.
Really?
Maybe to turn around. Watch out. Probably got to turn around.
Yeah.
Back the other way.
Alright guys, I'm going to stop it and pick it up once we get into the woods. Alright guys, I'm not going to point the camera towards the house just to not weird them out. But this is a pretty cool rock structure you guys can see.
Does that camera zoom?
No, it does not. It does not zoom.
Okay.
But we're entering the woods right now. And we're going to start looking for some cool stuff to show you guys. We have not. Oh yeah, if you guys have ever seen a mushroom that big, like Mike said, you guys definitely leave a comment, because I have never, ever seen something that big before. That was crazy. Anyways, we obviously have never been on this trail before, so if we see anything cool, it's definitely going to be a first for us, and really cool to show you guys. So yeah, it's going to be kind of cool to do one of these old school hiking videos once again that we used to do on the channel. So with that, as soon as we find anything cool, you'll definitely see it. Alright, whoa. Wait a minute. There's a floating leaf. What the heck? It's gotta be a spider web. What I was gonna say is, walking down this trail, I just remembered something. That, if you guys remember, a little ways ago, I made a video called Backwards Compatibility Halo, and it was me really happy because you're making Halo backwards compatible. Well, I'm announcing right now, you guys probably already know this, just in case you don't, yesterday, September, I don't remember the date, man, Thursday, I don't know when this video is going up, but it should be up in a couple days, but yesterday was Thursday. They finally made it backwards compatible. Halo 3, Halo 4, Halo 3 ODST, and Halo CE Anniversary. They finally made them backwards compatible, so if you guys have those games, you can just slap the disc in, or if you had it digitally, you can install it right now and play it. I was playing Halo 3 yesterday, and it was really, really fun. So, if you guys are excited for that, be sure to leave a like, because they finally did it. Just thought I'd tell you guys. I thought it was really cool. But this area, so far, is extremely awesome. There's a lot of downed trees, and most of them, you can see right there, cut down. some rocks popping up through the trail. But yeah, this area is pretty. I can see that right there is actually a huge boulder. So, oh, and there's an old rock wall right there. That's pretty cool as well. Already amazed with this area so far. But I'm gonna stop this segment here so it's not too long. I don't want to waste so much space on the camera and not have enough to film the whole entire video. So I'm gonna stop it here, showing you guys this boulder on the left here. I know you guys probably hear like that from the stupid lens, so I put my finger on it so it doesn't make that noise. But there you go. Sun's in the way. That looks really cool. Split in half. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna stop it and I'll pick it up in a second. Alright guys, so we had to cross this little thing. There's a whole bunch of arrows and stuff, if you guys know. There's actually a bridge. There's actually a... There's actually a bridge. Yeah. There's a bridge here, but there's like an orange sign there. There's an arrow on that tree. You guys can see an arrow back there. And this is actually a... there's an archery field out here actually. There's targets and everything. It's pretty cool actually. But if we stay on the trail, we should be safe. I'm actually hearing gunfire over there from a shooting range, which is pretty cool. Just thought I'd film this little segment. I thought that little bridge area was kind of cool. And we're still walking, looking for cool stuff. Tying shoes. And there's a bunch of trees on the way up here, so I don't know what we're going to do about that. It's kind of weird. Oh, that tree fell down. Right there.
Oh, we gotta go home now.
Yeah. Alright, so I guess I'll pick it up in a second. Alright guys, so we're coming on some kind of opening here. I don't know what this is. Possibly.
Oh.
I don't know what this is, but we're gonna check it out. The camera's gonna act a little funky here because of the sun. Oh, there's the view.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh, gas pipeline.
Wow. Guys, we're gonna go sledding here. That's cool. You know what? That would be cool to go sledding.
The sledding?
Wow.
Wow.
Look at the other side.
Cannot see with the sun.
Point it down. Oh yeah. It's a service area.
It's cool.
I think with snow, because it has the sides, it'll be like a bobsled trail. You think at the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Why?
Yeah. Don't know how many trees you hit, but
Yeah. This camera sucks! Man, the light makes it look horrible. But whatever. Gotta do what you gotta do. I'm trying to get a new camera soon, hopefully. Some wood. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, this is looking. Look at this. This looks cool. That's pretty cool. Wow, look at how stupid that looks. Look at it. It looks dumb. Let me see.
just tilt it down a little.
Doesn't do nothing.
Oh, that's the sun over there. Yeah, we'll have to get another one.
Whatever.
A little bit better.
Alright guys. I'm gonna end it real quick and we're gonna keep going. Keep going here. Yeah, I'm just coming to the top. And we're going to continue walking this way. So I'll pick it up in a second. Alright guys, so we got this hill that we just came down. And we were walking and we see this awesome rock wall over here. I just thought it was really cool because we were in the middle of the woods. And this rock wall is actually extremely like sturdy looking. It looks like it was almost just built, but it's not. It's been here for a while. You can see that some of this is collapsed. There's trees over it. But hold on a second. There's a guy over here. What the heck? Hey.
Huh? What do you want, man? I'm trying to sleep. Leave me alone.
Are you drinking?
What the heck?
You guys got anything to drink?
No.
Kinda hungry.
What are you doing? Get up. Like, what is that triangle hole in the rock wall over there?
Walk wall?
Walk wall.
I don't know.
Where? Look at that tree.
It looks like,
You could just mess around, guys. Hope you thought that was kind of funny.
triangle right there?
Huh?
Right over there. Isn't that weird how it looks, the rock goes up and down like there used to be a path there?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Right there. Alright. We're just messing around, guys, trying to make this a little bit funny for you guys.
Look at that tree with a hole.
I know.
In the center.
I just showed it. It's crazy.
Like, that would be a good picture. That would be a good picture for you.
Man.
Put your head in that.
We're still walking, guys.
What?
You heard me. Whew. But we're still walking and we're checking out stuff. Really, really cool. Really, really cool. You know how it is out here. The lens is making that stupid noise, so I gotta hold it. But it's pretty cool. And I'll pick it up in a segundo. Huh. Guys, we found a deer stand. Mike's gonna go check it out. That's pretty funny. Yeah. I'd be careful. I don't think it's supposed to bend that much, Mike. I don't think it's supposed to bend that much.
No, I would get down. Just in case.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I see why, Mike. Look. No, I see why. This.
No, the thing was about to snap.
This is supposed to be hooked on. Look. See?
Look, it's bent right there. It was about to snap on me.
No.
It's not bent.
The reason why is because this is supposed to be hooked on.
No, Jason, look, this beam right here.
Huh. Yeah, this is supposed to be hooked on. That's why
they took it. They probably have that piece to hook it on.
that hooks on,
Yeah.
so it doesn't bend.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Oh, it's not. Here, I'll bend it back out. See? It's fine. They can just put the bar on it.
Yeah.
Right here. See? They probably have. Yeah. See this?
Yeah.
They have a thing that holds on to
They
it.
should have just had it hanging.
Pretty cool though. Trail goes over here though, so we're gonna go back. But just thought it would be cool to show you guys a little deer stand out here in the woods. And yeah, we're gonna keep going, and I'll see you in a second. All right, guys. We just found a a hawk feather on the ground. I believe this is a hawk feather, a red-tailed hawk. I'm not 100% sure, so if you know exactly what this is, I'm sorry. I'm an idiot.
It clearly goes on a dove.
Oh yeah.
Or like a pigeon.
Oh yeah.
You know, because by the size you could tell. Yeah.
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 Maybe a sparrow. Maybe.
I thought it was a grackle.
Yeah. No, I think that this is a hawk
it
feather.
happened when the sparrow or the dove was chasing this rock, because they eat rocks.
Oh yeah.
You know that. Everybody who knows about birds knows they eat rocks.
Yeah.
You know, chasing the rock.
But no, seriously, I think this is a red-tailed hawk feather. Not 100% sure, but it's really cool. I'm definitely going to keep this. I think it's really cool. I'm going to bring this with me. Just found it on the ground. An Indian would really like this. They put it on their head. What'd you say about the rocks?
Look at this! Look!
You can definitely feel how they get flight with this. You can feel the air resistance.
That's a huge feather. I don't think I've ever really found one that big.
Oh, I have. But I've never seen one this pristine, and they're always damaged. This one's actually really, really nice.
Yeah, try to save that.
Oh, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to put it right in my room. I think it's going to be really cool.
Are you holding that lens?
No. So it's probably going because it's stupid. Oh, we're going to hit a swamp?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll keep filming then. Got these boards going across for steps. That's pretty cool. What's up there?
It's pretty high up there.
Hold on, let me come down. I'll show you guys. Is that a waterfall? I hear a waterfall.
We're going to look. We're going in the middle of a swamp.
Alright, guys. A bridge! Oh, we'll keep going. We're filming this, boys. Man, sorry I keep going. But I have a cold, and my head is hurting. Oh man, this is awesome. Hey, you guys see a moose? No, I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, be quiet, be quiet. I want to see if we can see birds. Yeah, the dove. This is really, really cool. Okay, shh, shh. Guys, stop. I want to listen. Look. Yeah. Be quiet. I want to see if I can see a bird. There's a birdhouse right there.
See if we tilt this camera down. There you go.
Yeah, this looks like crap. Looks horrible. This is a perfect spot to look for birds. You guys can see this bridge. You can definitely smell the swampiness. Definitely got to be watching for snakes over here.
Just to keep it filmed on that end.
Yeah.
The sun's going to really ruin the film.
This is really cool. No birds though yet.
Look how long this bridge is. Shut up.
Alright guys, so we crossed the bridge here, and we actually came across this little rock here, which is really cool. This is the New England Trail, also known as the Metacomet, monadnock Trail, and we got a memory of Pat Fletcher, dedicated trail steward and advocate. So this is pretty cool. This area is awesome. Also, we came upon a log book here. We've only seen one other of these, and basically what they are is they're in these little boxes here, and what you do is you take this and you actually can sign your name in here to show that you were on the trail. The last time someone was on this was 9/17, so actually a couple days ago, and he wrote a little message. You guys can pause it and read it. I know the camera is pretty blurry, so you guys are not going to be able to read it that well. That's pretty cool. And we're actually gonna we just wrote something here. Stupid wind. So we wrote, beautiful area, thank you. Pretty cool. Definitely a really cool area to check out. If you guys know where this is, you guys can definitely check this out. Really awesome area. So we're going to continue walking here, and if we find anything else awesome like this, you'll definitely be able to see it. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we came up upon this area. It's really cool trail so far. Huh? Oh, the road's right here? Okay. So this is the whole trail, guys. This is really awesome. I really enjoyed this. Definitely surprised me. There's a little bench there for sitting. This is really awesome. So this trail was 2.3 miles long. Got some bananas. Yeah. Little sitting bench. That's pretty cool.
The road's right there. The truck just passed by.
That's the road. Right in that opening, that's the road. So this is the end of the trail, guys. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little walking. I thought this trail was really cool. It really surprised me how awesome it turned out to be. Just this grass area looks really cool coming out to this. So, like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video here. And if you did, obviously be sure to leave a like, because this area is definitely an awesome video for you guys. So yeah, if you liked it, like I said, obviously leave a like. Subscribe if you guys want to see some more content. Should have this video up soon. Have some more Destiny 2 gameplay coming up soon. And yeah, try to get a new camera, because I know this is kind of stupid. I know some people have commented that I should get a new camera, and I'm definitely working to get one. So should see that soon, hopefully. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Thank you guys so much for the support on my channel, and I will see everybody in the next video. See ya.